Today, we are going to be talking about describing and identifying a hexagon. I noticed that some of us were having trouble with hexagons. Shapes are tricky sometimes, and that's okay. We are going to be using many of the shapes that we've learned throughout the school year, and we will be reviewing shapes later on this year. However, I'd like to give an introduction to them because many times they have us count shapes. And I found that not knowing the name of the shapes makes more anxiety. So we're going to go over a few of the shapes this week. We're going to finish those up and then we're going to start counting more. And then later on in the year, we're going to get more in depth in our shapes. But this is the hexagon. A hexagon is a six-sided shape. So looking right here is a hexagon. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides is a hexagon. An octagon has 8 sides. We're not talking about an octagon. We're talking about a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. It says, Emily wants to buy art that has 6 sides shaped shapes in it, like the yellow pattern block, which was the one we just looked at. That's the hexagon. Draw a circle around all the pieces of art that she can buy. And then our I can statement says, I can describe and identify hexagons. So in the first picture, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, this one it has 6 sides. Is it a pentagon or a hexagon? It could be. They're not all equal. So I don't know if we would count that one. I don't think we would count that. So we're going to leave that one be. However, right below it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6-sided shapes, and they're all different sizes of hexagons. So we're going to circle that one. Then looking at the next one, we have a fruit bowl. Do you see any hexagons in the fruit bowl? I don't either. Our yellow shape is the one that we were just looking at. We can circle it if we want to. That's okay. Then we have our guy with a circle head. He's not a hexagon. But right over here we have the hexagons on it looks like a mobile. So we can circle those. There we go. There's our hexagons. On the other side of the page, it says, color the hexagons you see in the row. So looking on the first one, here's the hexagon. These are not hexagons. Here are some examples of hexagons. Here's one she drew. There's one of the pattern pieces. Remember, bees always make hexagon honeycombs. There's a window that's a hexagon. And then a bolt. This is a bolt or a nut. It goes on top of a screw to keep it in place. And then so down here we have our hexagon. We want to look on the next row for the hexagon. So we're going to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a hexagon? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that a hexagon? No, that's a pentagon. We have a circle. Circle only has one side and no points, so that's not a hexagon. Let's count the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that is the hexagon, so we're going to color it in. There's the hexagon, and just colored it in. Okay. What other hexagons have you seen? Tell an adult. Show them your wonderful picture. Thank you. Have a good day.